Hi, we are ELa and PHIlipp. We already traveled all the way from Colombia to Argentina with our 2 motorcycles, which we bought in Medellín. On our journey we have survived a -10-degree night in our tent in the Bolivian Andes, managed to escape a desert with a broken motorcycle and 1 liter of water left, pulled our motorcycles for 180 kilometers, crossed many rivers to get to our destination, and interacted with locals to fix tires, make friends and learn about their lives. Our plan is to visit all countries of South America and therefore drive through the Amazonas in Brazil. The question is, will we make it? So we are back on the motorcycles, still on the parking lot here. We stayed around 10 days here in this building. Enough of this luxurious life, back to motorcycle life. We are taking our ferry to cross the sea. We have 2 options, either cross the sea by a ferry or go down and back up, but it's a big detour, so we opted for the ferry, which is a better option. And I forgot that I always get seasick when I'm driving with boats. So next time we're gonna take the street instead of the boat. Lesson learned, reminder to myself. Next to the roads we have a lot of fires. You can see a lot there in the back, and on the left hand side as well. The firefighters already started, but once it's deeper in the jungle, they're not able to reach it, so they just let it burn. First time being in a fire like this. Crazy, you can see the coal flying. So last night we stayed here at this posada, and today's goal is to go again to Indigenous Community, 250 kilometers. I'm excited what will await us there.
Would you care to join my following?
So the bridge where we're on right now divides Pará and Maranhão. We just came from Maranhão. We will now enter Pará. This is also the state of Belém, or where the city Belém is. Here's the river which divides the 2 states. So we're gonna eat some acai now, and when you see that in front of the acai restaurant, you know you are directly where acai is produced, because these are the leftovers from the the fruit. So this time we got the unsweetened acai. So you can add honey, some sugar, and this is farofa. It's quite a big bowl. So we entered the dirt road, which means it's not very far to the indigenous community. Yeah, we have about 40 kilometers to go. Join us for the ride.
Slowly, nobody knows me like you know me.
So I think we are there. We now just need to find them. A couple of houses here to find them. So ELa waits since months for this moment. Acai for dinner with some fish and rice, and this is the unsweetened acai, so it's pure from the tree. She's eating here something with yucca. So the flour here on top is yucca. We were eating today some rice, spaghettis, and here's soup made from duck. And here's some leftovers from the duck. So they actually killed the duck this morning for us to enjoy lunch. Yeah, that's how it works here. The diet of the indigenous people is low on sugar and low on carbs. So right now we ate meat and some acai. Yeah, really healthy. And the organic waste is close by. Hello Jack, want some?
So we made it to the river close by, and now we are taking a bath. And over there, that's the bridge which we passed when we were on the way to the house. And when it's the época de chuva, so rainy season, the water level rises, and it's not possible to drive here. You need to go all the way with a canoe.
So our host said that in 7 months they had no rain, and we came yesterday, and
Here we go!
we have the first rain.
Muita quentura até que choveu, né?
Muito melhor. So it's some time for local asado. Temos uma enfermeira aqui.
Não, qualquer pessoa tira.
Ah, qualquer pessoa.
Danei, aí mesmo tira.
O tamanho daquele.
So it turns out that Philip has some kind of fleas in his feet, and they now need to
Não
operate
é
it.
bicho, porque tá fundo. Vai ver.
So yesterday the indigenous people helped me to get a parasite out of my foot. We
Yeah,
thought-
it's a small flea which bites in your skin, and then it lives inside your skin.
Yeah. We thought it's a wart, so we thought we're going today to a pharmacy, but luckily they saw it yesterday and told
Remove them all.
us what it really is. Yeah. Today's plan is to get to Berlin.
Yeah, riding to Willem is about 250 kilometers from here, and the last 2 days we were just relaxing here. During the days 36, 37 degrees, so we were just relaxing in the hammock.
After 9 o'clock, the heat is so strong that your mind is just knocked out and you can't think anymore. That's why we laid in the hammocks almost the whole day.
You need to breathe your sleep. If you wait for if you wait for it's a vacancy from what I can see. You're meant to wait for wait for me.
água se encontra, mas pode entrar, não só pegar o palo pra botar a mão, tá?
Ah, sim.
Com certeza.